acknowledged fall as the real new year for women, something about the season change has us wanting to hit the reset button in all areas, including how you look and how you feel. So for that woman wanting to improve, elevate, or update her personal style, Studio 5 contributor Megan Moore is pointing us to 4 very specific ways to do that. Why do we feel it so strongly? Like, make it fresh, make it new.
Yeah, I think it's must be the back to school where it just feels like that's a new start for everybody in your house. Yeah. And I don't know, that weather shift is the biggest one, I think, too.
So for your hair, your makeup, your nails, Megan is here for you. Let's start with hair. This first style update came as a shocker to me. We are not beach waving away from our face this season. We are curling under.
Yes, so all things 70s and 90s are back right now. We're seeing everything come back to the rolled under hair look. I'm just seeing it everywhere. Like, it's popping up on a lot of celebrities, on the runways, and I don't know, I kind of like it. I was like, I haven't picked up a curling iron and used it in this way in so long. It felt very foreign to me, but I'm actually really liking it. Now, these ones are all a little bit shorter. My hair's longer. I did it on my hair today, so it's gonna look a little bit different, you know, at your different lengths, but it's kind of fun, and it does feel sophisticated. It does feel more elevated and a little bit more polished and put together.
What's a good iron size for this look?
So you're going to want to be at least 1.25 inches to 2 inches. Okay.
Big.
It's a big one. So I love this one by Heritage. You can get it at Walmart. Doesn't need to be expensive, but just roll those ends under, ladies.
What is our update for accessories this fall?
Okay, so this one I'm loving too. Again, it feels very sophisticated. I'm calling it the Barely There headband. So very delicate, very dainty, something that you almost don't even catch, right? It's just like a little hint of it. Perfect. It's gonna be great for your holiday parties coming up. It's just not in your face. It's not blaring at all. It's just a little subtle one. I love these ones that I found a set at Nordstrom. They are the most flexible, comfortable headband you've ever seen. I'll wait till, look how like flexy they are.
Oh yeah.
So they don't give you a headache, so I'll just throw that in. So you can just see just a tiny little pop of that color, but it's not like, whoa, she's wearing a headband.
So going for a contrast, you have the darker hair with the light. I can have the lighter hair with the dark. Can any age wear this?
I think so, because it's so dainty and delicate. I think it's a great one for anybody to wear. So really go for it. I love it. Isn't it
super fun? I think I've seen Savannah Guthrie wear these.
Yes.
And she's in the 50s, I think.
Oh yeah.
So we can do this. We can do this,
My mother-in-law wears headbands and she's in her 60s. And she looks darling.
Cute. All right, for the nails, you say there is one strong color that is emerging and it's everywhere.
It is everywhere, and we're calling it the trench coat beige. It is like the Burberry trench coat, you know, that classic fall color. And again, this is not something I've ever worn before. I've never been attracted to beige, but now that I've tried it, I'm obsessed. So it's so sophisticated. It makes your nails and your fingers look so much longer, more delicate. Again, you think of that sophisticated New York woman. Yeah. She's wearing a beige nail in the fall time.
What I love about this is there isn't any question. If you're a grandma, if you're a 20-something, this would work for any generation. You can feel polished and pulled together. We asked Megan to put together a collection of your favorite beige colors, and there's a good selection out there.
Yeah, there's a lot more than you would think. And again, you want to look for something that's got some good brown to it. So it does show kind of maybe pink sometimes in the picture, but look at it up close. You can really see you want something that's truly brown that really looks nice on the skin.
In Nude Trowel by Sally Hansen. That almost has some warm gold to it. Really lovely.
Aren't those pretty? And I'm wearing this one here on my nails. So again, really pretty. Just easy peasy, right?
All right, beige nails, trench coat nails. We're feeling it. Yep. Let's talk makeup. What update do you have in mind for us when it comes to our faces?
All right, so for this one, we're gonna get rid of our shimmer and we're gonna go all matte on our eyes. So this, again, is not something I normally lean towards. I think in the summertime, we're looking for the bright colors, the shimmer, the sparkle, but in winter, all those sweaters, the layers, they just look really great with a really nice matte lid, just all over one color. And for me, the only way I can make this work is if I only have a palette that offers mattes, because if there's shimmers there, I'm gonna grab them. And so I have to just be like, no, Megan, we're just doing mattes today. So I love this one. This is Milani's Ungilded Matte Palette. Super affordable, all mattes, just a wash of color. Easy peasy, super sophisticated.
So the face can still glow, but the eyes in particular, we want to be matte. Or try it. Try it.
Yeah, just try it. Just, again, elevate it. It feels more sophisticated.
Did I hear you're giving away a palette on your Instagram?
Yep, I've got one of these Milani's to give away. So come find me on Instagram at Beauty Snoop, and we'll give it away today.
Beauty Snoop, it's where the fun happens. Makeup, hair, all the fun trends, or in this case, just ways to elevate and feel pulled together for the fall season. Great job. I love that on you. So cute, so cute. All right.